Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on AI content training in Figma. This is an important privacy setting that controls whether your design work is used to train Figma's AI features, so let's walk through how to adjust it. First, open your Figma application. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see various navigation options. Click on All Projects. This will bring up your project workspace and give you access to your team settings. Now, look at the top of the screen where you'll see your team's name displayed. Click the arrow down beside your team's name. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your team's account and configuration settings. From this drop-down menu, click on View Settings. This action will take you into the main settings area where you can manage various aspects of your Figma workspace, including permissions, billing, and privacy controls. In the settings page, scroll through the menu options on the left until you find AI. This section is specifically dedicated to managing how Figma's artificial intelligence features interact with your content. Under the AI section, click Manage AI Settings. This will open up the detailed controls for AI-related features. Now you'll see the AI content training option with a toggle button. This is where you have complete control over whether Figma uses your design content to improve and train their AI models. Simply click the toggle button to turn the feature on or off according to your preference. If the toggle is switched on, Figma may use your content for training purposes. If it's off, your content remains private and won't be used for AI training. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your AI content training settings in Figma. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.